Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Join me as we explore the fascinating life of Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge. From her early days to her royal marriage and motherhood, we will delve into the highlights of her remarkable journey. Featuring stunning pictures and exclusive insights, this voiceover biography is a must-watch for any Kate Middleton fan. Get to know the real Kate Middleton in this captivating biography with rare pictures and intimate details. We will take you on a journey through Kate's life, from her childhood to her royal duties and charitable work. Don't miss this inspiring story of love, family, and dedication. Experience the life and times of Kate Middleton through this stunning visual biography. With a narrative and breathtaking pictures, we will showcase Kate's most memorable moments from her wedding days to her royal tours and family life. So join me on a journey through Kate Middleton's remarkable royal journey. With exclusive pictures and expert insight, we will explore Kate's transformation from commoner to duchess and her impact on the British monarchy. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, Berkshire, England. She grew up in a loving family with parents Michael and Carl Middleton. Kate has two younger siblings, Pippa and James Middleton. She attended St Andrews School in Pangbourne, Berkshire. Kate later attended Melbourne College in Wiltshire. Kate studied art history at the University of St Andrews in Scotland. She met Prince William during her first year at university. Kate and Prince William became friends before starting a romantic relationship. Kate graduated with a 2.1 hours degree in art and history. Kate and Prince William began dating in 2003 and they kept their relationship private for several years. Kate became a media sensation due to her association with Prince William. The couple faced challenges including a brief breakup in 2007. Prince William proposed to Kate during a trip to Kenya in 2010. They announced their engagements on November 16, 2010. Kate and Prince William married on April 29, 2011. The wedding was watched by millions worldwide. Kate became the Duchess of Cambridge after her marriage. She undertakes various royal duties and charitable engagements. Kate's sport organization focuses on children's welfare and mental health. Kate and Prince William have three children, Prince George, Prince Charlotte, and Prince Louis. The family reside in Kingston Palace and Emerald Hall. Kate prioritizes her family life and motherhood. She often takes her children or outing and play dates. Kate's pretending style influenced by her own upbringing. Kate supports various charitable causes including children hospice. She is a patron of a National Portrait Gallery and Royal Photographic Society. Kate advocates for mental health awareness and sport. She works with organizations promoting arts and culture. Kate's charitable work reflects her compassion and empathy. Kate's fashion sense is renowned globally. She influences fashion trends and support British designers. Kate's iconic outfits often sell out quickly. She has been named to Nomadia's best dresses list. Kate's style evolution showcases her growing confidence. Kate accompanies Prince William on official tours. They have visited Canada, the United States, and Asia. Kate's diplomacy and poise impress foreign leaders. The couple promotes British interests and culture. Kate's tours showcase her ability and grossiness. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you like this video, please tell me in the comment box. That's the story of Kate Middleton, a true rags to royalty tale. Her fashion sense, royal life, and dedication to her family make her a beloved figure worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was born in 9 January 1982 in Reading, England. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I want to tell you about my YouTube channel. I want to take a moment to talk you to all about something important. First, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. It means the world to me. However, I want to be honest with you. creating content every day. It's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts, and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening, and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat, style while already turning heads, she favored classic timeless pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are synchronized worldwide, she is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Cat's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Cat dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Cat's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces, and enjoys the finest things in life. Cat draws inspiration from fashion icons, past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon, and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So Cat often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Peckham are two of her go-to labels. Cat's not afraid to mix high-end with high street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Cat's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Cat's jewelry collection is invaluable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Cat's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Cat's handbag collection is impressive. She favored classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Cat's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Cat's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Cat's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Cat's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icons, Cat faces criticism from accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she is navigated it all. Cat's style is timeless. She avoids trendy pieces, opting from classic designs that stand the test of times. Cat's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspired countless women to find their own personal style. Cat's fashion legacy will be one of the elegance, sophistication, and approachability. She redefined royal fashion for the modern era. Cat's fashion choices are carefully considered. Her team of stylists and advisors help her create looks that are both stylish and diplomatic. Before becoming a royal, Cat's style was more relaxed. She often wear bohemian-inspired pieces and high street brands. My beautiful viewers, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.